Gutter guards are devices installed on gutters to keep them clean and debris-free. They are essential because they prevent leaves, twigs, and other materials from clogging the drains and causing water to back up and potentially damaging the roof or foundation of the home. There are many different types of guards available on the market, so it is important to research to find the best option for your home. Some factors include the type of roof you have, the climate in your area, and the number of trees near your home. If you decide that guards are suitable for your home, be sure to have them installed by a professional. This will ensure that they are correctly installed and will work effectively for years to come. Gutter guards are mesh placed over gutters to keep leaves and debris from clogging them. Many homeowners wonder if they are worth the investment since they can be somewhat expensive. There are several factors to consider when deciding if installing guards is right for you. One is the climate in your area. If you live in a location with many trees, you may find that gutter guards pay for themselves quickly by preventing frequent gutter cleanings. Another factor to consider is how much time you are willing to spend cleaning. If you would rather not spend time cleaning your gutters, then guards may be worth the investment.